Morning everyone. This will be a quick video aiming to help you identify the stative verbs in a sentence and gain an understanding of how they work. This video will be part of a series of short videos looking at the different types of verbs. I'll put a link in the description to the other videos, as well as a link to the slides which you can download for free if you want them. I'd suggest watching the video that explains what verbs are first, and then coming back to this one. And there are lots of different types of verbs, some of which are listed here, some of which aren't. Today we're just going to focus on one of these types of verbs. Today's types of verbs are called stative verbs. These are used to indicate a state as opposed to an action, hence the name stative verbs. So whilst dynamic verbs focus on movement, stative verbs don't involve any movement at all. Let's take these sentences as examples. I need a sandwich. I remember her. I love that song. And I believe in the power of words. First, we need to get the noun phrases and the pronouns covered, seen here in purple. And the words that are left aren't actually to do with movement, are they? They're all to do with the state or the condition of the noun. So you don't have to move to remember something or to believe in something, do you? And as a general rule, most stative verbs don't work in the ing form or the ing form. For example, it would sound just a little bit odd if you said to someone, I am needing a sandwich. You'd get a few strange looks. It just doesn't work. I'll just point out now that technically a small selection of words could be classed as either dynamic or stative, and it depends on the context of the sentence. But we'll leave that for another video. I don't want to overface you with deep grammar at this point. Pause the video and see how many stative verbs you can pick out from the box on the right. And the answers are colour-coded here for you to mark yourself. A key thing to note with verbs is that the type of verb can change depending on the context of the sentence that it's in. And if you want to challenge yourself, try and identify the stative verbs in this extract from The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. And that is stative verbs in a nutshell. Try adding stative verbs to your revision cards and add them into your next analysis to boost your marks. Thanks for watching and happy revising.